Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert signature image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert signature image in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Picture option. Then choose the signature image, then click Insert. Now we can see we insert a signature image in this publisher document. Now we want to set this signature image. Firstly, resize the image. Then click in the bottom of this page and the left corner. Now we can see we insert signature image this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.